So it's time to check out and lock the room. That's kind of room it is. It's not too good. I'm going to just look another room in Chennai Central. From here to Chennai Central. In morning, na, I sit there and I feel the just wind. It's too good. But above all, let's go to our next location, which is Chennai Central. And I have to give the key to the owner and receive the bill. Dada, check out. Do you provide me any bill? Okay, no bill. Thank you. So, first of all, I have to go to the railway station. Dada, can you guide me the railway station? Okay. Thank you. Who are the people who saying, yaar? They are selfish kind of. They are very helpful. I don't know about you, but for me, they are very helpful. So I'm going to the Villupuram railway station, and I will update you. Let me find a vehicle like bus, taxi, or a Rapido. If taxi will charge me good, so I will go through the Rapido. But first of all, let me know the direction of the railway station. Anna, for railway station? This way. Do you remember? I showed you this building at night. I thought from that way I got the vehicle. This is a food building, Villupuram. Yesterday evening I went there. Too good from inside. Okay, I will let you know when I get the vehicle for the railway station and let you know how it's look like. So I took one of the kind of tempo like that, and it's just like that, yaar. Yagon. वही जो अपने गोंडा में यूज़ होती है. The same vehicle we use in Gonda. And above all, one thing I noticed that in north हम लोग परेशान है भाई उनसे, और in south ये लोग परेशान हैं इनसे. It's too complicated. So let's go to the ticket counter and find a ticket of general. Then go to the third AC and convert it into that. Okay. Above all, it's good weather. And the heat is just feel like 2013, 14. I think I have to help him here. But God gave him the good sense. And I don't know Tamil. And if I'm going to help him and catch him, and he start asking, who are you, what are you doing? then it will be turned into a different thing. So leave them in his own way. He can do it. Okay, so the renovation is on the way. I thought they are renovating. Okay, so I took the ticket. It's not too visible because of the ink, but let's go to the platform because the train is on the way. That's not a wide angle view, yaar. Let me open that so you can see the whole station just in once. They are renovating. Look, creating a state theme. So that's the station, and I have to check it at the platform number. Okay, I will. Okay, bro. I took a water bottle, and the train will come to platform number 3. I heard it from the locals, but the app said it will come to platform number 1. And I didn't think so that express train can come it because one of the memo was standing there in the platform number 1, so it might be come to the platform number 3. So here is an stairs for platform number 1 and for exit 2. Okay, so let's. By the way, they are decor and keep their stations too clean in compared to ours. So that's the way of platform number 2 and 3. So let's go and ask from some more peoples. The main problem is that they are written numbers in Tamil. So not platform number 2 and that's 3. So people might be waiting at platform number 3. Let me ask something. Train number 12636 for Chennai, Egmore. For whom should I ask, yaar? Okay, I found someone. Excuse me, sir. For Chennai Egmore, the train will come to platform number 3. It's showing 1 now on the app. It's showing platform number 1 on the app. Oh, are you waiting for the same train? Train number 12636. Okay, sir. Okay, now. It's just coming now. Oh. Look, here I am again in a train. The train will never leave. I'll show a beautiful view. It's too gorgeous from the eye, but it's not look with the camera. I have to go to Chennai Central. Then I have to change another bus or taxi or else from the train. By the way, let's see. Very few people are there. All are in. And that's the good. places are just like our city, but the rest of the views always recognize that we are in a different place. Like the color of the clouds, notice it's too blue. Here nature is still breathe. Look at that. And I will post a video of our state without applying a filter. And look there, there's no filter is there. And just look at the colors. All the magic into the weather and the environment. Look how beautiful. So okay, I will show you the rest of the journey in a different way. Stay tuned. By the way, they used a very clever idea of advertising. For that place, do the advertise of them. It just looks like a part of it. When it's come to ego, na, the normal old thing can be good. And now I rent another room. This lift, oh my god. I thought that's my last day, but it's not. So it's 16. 16. That one is in. Let's check it out how it's look like. request him to change the room, so he gave me another room of 522, which is at the third floor, and we are currently at second floor. So let's go. I need that kind of lift because I can trust on it. No? Close the fan sound, don't worry. Let's see how the third floor is. We are on safety doors. Don't make sound, man. It's if I can do this one. We have the stairs in front of it, which lead to the rooftop. Okay, bro. Let's first of all put me the bag down, and I will be here again. Come with me. I will show you the room. Room number. This one. The front of the lift. And that is a ventilated room. Where is the board? Fan. Okay. Better than the previous one, yaar. Previous one smells too worst. Here is no any smell problem. It will go ventilate like that, and oh my god, it's light on. I thought it have any kind of ventilation. Fuck. Above all, it's good. Just relax for a while, then go to drink a water and bring in food. Catch it up. I just came out to hand some food. And I spotted this high court. So let's go and find something to eat. This can be पनीर टिक्का एंड चपाती.
पनीर टिक्का मसाला चपाती कितना चपाती?
Yeah. 4.
और चपाती
So that's the kind of hotel, and order paneer tikka and chapati. I will say within a while. This one is true. phone is too cheap now. Else I will show you, yeah. Overall, it's have lot of sound, but behind that sound, there is a silence. It's maybe not captured in a film.